Good morning, everybody. This is John from Legacy Woodworking, and I got a question earlier today that I thought I would answer in the form of a video because I assume this is going to be a question to be asked a lot. The new Aspire 12.5, how do I add my machine? So we're going to start by just opening up 12.5, put a machine, and then go down here where it says Add Machine. Click there, and we're going to go ahead and rename this and build our machine the way we want to. For today's purposes, we're going to call this an Artisan 72. That's one of our older models of machine. Manufacturer, of course, going to be Legacy Woodworking Machinery. And the model is going to be Artisan. Now that came in two sizes back in the day, a 48 and a 72. So in this case, it's a 72. Controller is a Mach controller. The width is 72. The height is 24. And of course, we're going to change that from millimeters to inches. Acceleration, deceleration, the XYZ, and the angle, we're going to leave those alone. Talk about that one later. This is new to 12.5. This helps make it so that your calculation for your timing is a little bit more accurate. It's pretty phenomenal. Let's go ahead and skip that. We're going to go down to Associated Post Processors. I'm going to put on this little plus right here. I'm going to select the post processor. I'm going to hit L to get down to my Legacy stuff. And scroll down here. I'm going to say Legacy 3-axis CV arc inches because I'm going to be in the 3-axis or the flat table. CV is constant velocity, and I'm going to use arcs in this one. Select, add another one. I'm going to go back to my L again. I'm going to come down here to the 4-axis CV APC arc. Now we have both of those in there. We're going to hit apply and then OK. Our machine is now set up in Aspire 12 so that we can go ahead, draw, generate code, post it out, and go right to work. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and give me a phone call. 801-491-0010 or drop me an email, John, John, at legacywoodworking.com. Thank you guys so much. Be nice to each other. See you in the next one.